That open valve cover isn't cosmetic. It's the top of the engine. Under it sit the injectors, rockers, and valve train. When a seal or an injector gives up, you get oil seepage, rough running, and lost power. Heat cycles, high pressure, carbon, age, and stretched service intervals wear those parts and seals out. Watch for rough idle, misfire, fuel smell, excessive smoke, or oil weeping down the head. Keep valve adjustment and injector service on schedule. Look for seepage at the cover rail every PM. Clean work, correct gaskets and seals, proper torque in sequence. Don't ignore top-end symptoms. NTS Mobile Truck Repair comes to you 24/7 across the USA and Canada. Drive safe, stay alert, get home.